Welcome back to Everyday Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you about voltage on your car. The standing charge when the car's not doing anything, there's no lights on, you're not drawing any power from it. With the engine not running, we want to be seeing 12.6 volts. So if you get your multimeter, we're going to stick onto volts DC, which is the voltage symbol, and these wiggly lines. So quickly, all you're going to do is put it onto the battery, two terminals, battery's ends, and we've got 12.36, which slightly indicates a weak battery, but it's not the end of the world for it. So I'm going to start the car up now. Right, now what we'll be seeing now is around about 14.5 volts. So we're going to turn again. We've got 14.25. But this is with no lights on, just the engine running. That's a healthy alternator, that is. And that's all you need to do, just check them. And if you've not seen 14 volts, you've only seen battery voltage with the engine running, first thing to check is the auxiliary drive belt. Make sure the alternator's spinning. And if that's spinning and there's still no voltage to the battery, unless it's a smart charge system, which we don't get into all this jargon about, but you could have an alternator problem. So yeah, and that's it. Simple battery check. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, notifications when more videos come out, and glad to have you all around. Cheers.